tried it!
Gate 42 to Miami is open. Repeat, Gate 42.
To...
Confirmation received.
Hey, what's going on?
We can't find Lily.
Oh no, it's okay. We'll find her together.
Really?
Of course we will.
Oh, look at that! Yay!
Picnic time!
This is perfect.
Sandwiches are finally ready for everyone. Come and sit down, please.
Wonderful! I am setting out the plates for all of us now.
I am so very hungry. Please give me 2 whole sandwiches now. 1 sandwich first for you, and then we will see later. Daddy, why is that little squirrel looking at us so much?
Oh, that squirrel over there looks very hungry today, sweetheart. Huh?
Look at that little guy go! Oh my goodness, he stole your sandwich! My sandwich, it is running away with my whole sandwich right now. Liam, wait right there. Please do not go chasing after it.
Liam, be careful! Liam, watch out!
Oh no, he's at the edge.
I will handle this myself. Everyone, please just stay calm here.
Good luck catching a squirrel, my dear brave husband, James.
Please stop running around in circles. It is making me dizzy.
Liam, that squirrel is clearly much smarter than us right now.
Look, Mommy!
Isn't that silly? So funny. Is that little squirrel going to eat the whole entire sandwich?
I think so, honey. That squirrel found himself a very lucky lunch.
Whoa! Oh! Oops!
Quack!
Quack! Quack!
Yay!
Quack!
He tried it. Look, everyone. I still have it safely in my 2 hands.
That poor sandwich is officially duck food now, my dear son.
Honestly, getting soaking wet like this was completely worth it today. Come on now, my brave little superhero. Let us get you dry.
Do it again, please. Do it again. That was so funny.
1 splash a day is more than enough for us, Lily.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, you'll feel better now.
That's right.
New family rule now. Always hold your sandwich with 2 hands.
Deal. I promise to hold on very tightly this time, Dad.
Next time, little squirrel, please just share nicely with us first.
You won this round today, but I will be watching closely. You are the best friend a girl could ever ask for, Rabbit. I love you. Even little squirrels get hungry too, just like Liam does sometimes.
That is a very good thing to always remember, my Lily.
I'm so glad we came here today.
Me too, it's perfect.
This is the best picnic ever.
What a wonderfully funny afternoon this turned out to be today.
Best sandwich chase I have seen in a very long time.
Today was honestly one of the best days ever, Mom. I am so glad you had such a wonderful time today.
I'm glad we all made it here today.
Me too, it's perfect. Let's go eat.
Just a minute, buddy.
Hey, buddy. How was your day at school today?
Fine, I guess it was just a normal day.
You know, if you ever want to talk about it, I'm here. Fine is really not a full and complete answer, sweetheart.
Tommy is having a birthday party and everyone got invited.
Everyone except me got invited to his birthday party. Oh, sweetheart, did he tell you the reason why? I do not know. Maybe he simply does not like me anymore. That is definitely not true, sweetheart. You are wonderful. Yeah, the birthday cake's gonna be huge.
I'm so excited for the party.
We'll see you there, right, Liam? Yeah. See you at the party.
Hey, what's going on?
We can't find Lily.
Oh no, it's okay. We'll find her together.
Really?
Of course we will.
Hey there, what happened? Why does everyone look so sad? There is a birthday party, and Liam was not invited.
That really does hurt. I am so sorry, buddy.
It is fine. I do not even like parties anyway. You're invited. Awesome. Thanks. Did you get an invitation too, Liam? No, I didn't get invited either. Tommy only invited kids from his old school this time, not everyone in our class. Oh, really? Really? He did not get invited to the party either? It looks like our Liam has made a very kind friend. Look at that. Sometimes kids understand each other best of all.
Sometimes the best help comes from someone your own size.
And then the boss fight, dude. It was crazy. No way. I love that level. We should play together soon. Definitely. It's the best. Daddy, Mommy. Hi, Lily. Lily. Guess what happened today? Daddy, Mommy, guess what wonderful thing I made today?
This is absolutely beautiful, Lily. I love it so much.
Hello. Bao doll. Ya doll. Hina how. You drew me with a really, really big head, Lily. Because you have so many good ideas inside there, Liam. Ha ha ha! That's the best joke ever.
It really is.
He got you good. That is actually a really, really nice thing to say. You two always know how to make each other smile. Mom, can we still do something really fun this weekend?
I think that sounds like an absolutely wonderful idea, buddy.
Not being invited to one party means one more Saturday for us.
That actually sounds like a really great trade to me.
Look at the trees, Mr. Bun Bun. I am so proud of how you handled today, sweetheart.
Thanks, Mom. Today actually turned out okay in the end. We made it.
Just a little longer now.
Are we there yet?
Almost, sweetie.
Our gate is number 24. We have 40 minutes left.
Liam, stay close to us. And Lily, please hold my hand.
Dad, look at that amazing airplane model in the window.
We will look at it after we find our gate first.
James, wait, where is Lily? I do not see her.
She was right here beside us just 1 moment ago.
Oh. Mom? What's wrong?
She was holding your hand just a minute ago, Mom. She let go, and I thought she was still right there.
Lily, where are you? Please answer me right now, sweetheart.
Lily, sweetheart, please come out. Mommy is looking for you.
Lily. Lily?
Lily?
She's not here. Mommy, where is she?
James, what if someone took her? What if she is lost? Do not think that way. We will find her. Keep looking.
Oh, great.
Excuse me, we're lost. One moment, let me find your gate. Thank you, we're cutting it close. This way, quickly.
Our daughter is missing. She is 6 years old. Yellow dress.
She was with us just 2 minutes ago. Please help us.
Gate 42 to Miami is open. Repeat, gate 42. Confirmation received.
Mom, I am really scared right now. Where is Lily?
Me too, buddy, but we are going to find her together.
Lily? 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 Where are you? Lily? I knew it. Oh, kids. Daddy.
Daddy, we missed you.
Lily? Oh my God. Lily, is that really you? I can't believe it. Lily, sweetheart, there you are. I have been looking everywhere.
Daddy, I want strawberry ice cream. Can I have some money? Oh, I was so worried.
Me too, Dad. Please do not ever walk away like that again, sweetheart.
Okay, Daddy, I am sorry. I just wanted some ice cream.
Oh, Lily, I found you.
Mom.
We were so very scared, so incredibly scared for you, sweetheart.
I just wanted ice cream. The line was right here, Mommy.
Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Of course it was ice cream. That makes perfect sense now.
You scared us so much. Please never do that again, Lily.
Okay, but can I still get my strawberry ice cream, please?
Yes, sweetheart. You can have strawberry, chocolate, and anything else. Oh, I'm so glad we're all together.
Me too, sweetheart.
We're finally going on vacation. Yes, confirming safe reunion. They're all together now. We're so grateful. Thank you.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Ice cream actually found her first today. We are so thankful for your help finding her so fast.
You okay, Lily?
Yes, James. We're gonna have so much fun.
We sure are. I've gotcha. From now on, we hold hands everywhere, even inside shops, sweetheart.
Okay, Daddy. Even for ice cream, I promise to hold on.
Especially for ice cream.
My sweet and hungry little girl. Thank you, Daddy. This strawberry ice cream tastes really good.
Look at all the flavors. Ooh, I want that one. Mine's blue. Gate A24 for flight to Orlando, now boarding.
That's us.
And now we really need to hurry to our gate. Race you all the way to the gate, last one loses.
Ah, that's not what I need. I need to be at gate 45B. What am I doing at gate 41?
We made it!
Just in time.
Look at the planes, Lily.
We're flying soon, everyone. What an unforgettable day this has turned out to be. As long as everyone stays close, I am perfectly happy.
Gomyo! Namjam!
We're all together again. That's what matters.
Yes, we're together.
And we made it.
We made it together.
Have you ever lost someone for one scary minute in a crowd, and your heart just stops? But it's okay now.
Tell us your story in the comments below. We read.